Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the Liberty London 2023 advent calendar. But before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you will be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. The 2023 Liberty London advent calendar is another multi-brand advent, and this one is one of the most highest value this year at over 2,300 Australian dollars, and it retails for 500 Australian dollars. Now last year I reviewed this one very late in the game and it was all sold out, but this year there is still some stock left for you. So if you have been eyeing the Liberty London Advent, I will put a link below for where you can get it, because I guarantee you this one will sell out very soon. There's meant to be a total of 29 products, and 20 are full-size products and 9 deluxe size products. That's a lot of value, and I've heard there are exclusive Liberty products in here too. The box design is super cute and it looks like a snow village. Let's start with the first day, and we have the full-size Liberty Eau de Parfum in the scent Two Door. Now this one is 8 mils and it does say that it's full size, but I think online they only sell the 100 ml size, and that one retails for 485 AUD. This one has notes of ginger, nutmeg, cypress, chamomile, and also woody notes like amber and sandalwood. So when I smell this one, it does smell a little bit woody. That's not my normal go-to, but if you do like woody and floral notes, this one will be for you. Day 2 is the The Seated Queen Cassiopeia's Serum Concentrate. Now this one is 10 mils, but the full size retails for 130 AUD. So this serum is a day and night serum that is incredibly hydrating and smoothing. It is vegan and packed with antioxidants. So this one is actually infused with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Now I've only ever tried the cold cream from the Seated Queen, and I really love that, so I'm excited to try this one out. Moving on to day 3, and we have the full-size Sunday Riley Lunar Sleeping Night Oil. Now this one is 15 mils and it retails for 97 AUD. If you've seen my other unboxing videos, you'd know Sunday Riley is one of my favorite go-to brands. I swear by their Good Genes serum, so I am very excited to see a full-size Sunday Riley product in here. On day 4, we have the full-size Dr. Barbara Sturm Face Cream. Now this one is 20 mils, and although it's listed as full size in the Liberty Advent, I believe that they only sell the full size at 50 mils for 305 AUD. So this face cream is suitable for all skin types. It's a day and night cream that is incredibly hydrating and packed with antioxidants. It's another cult favorite from the brand. I am glad to see this one in the Advent. I love that it's cruelty-free and fragrance-free. On to day 5, and we have the full-size Surat Releve Mascara in Noir. This one is 6 mils and it retails for 61 AUD. This one comes in the black color and it's extremely volumizing. This one also apparently has humidity proof. Day 6 has 2 products. We have the full-size Votary Night Star Serum, and we also have the Estella Bartlett Star So Bright Bracelet. First of all, this is so cute. The day is dedicated to a star theme. Now the Votary serum, it's 30 mils and it retails for 305 AUD. This serum is a nighttime serum and it's formulated with microalgae extract, damask, rose water, hyaluronic acid, squalane, acai oil, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil. This means that the serum is highly hydrating, tackles fine lines and wrinkles, as well as brightening and improving the skin's texture. This sounds like a winner to me. Now, the second product here is the Estella Bartlett Star So Bright Bracelet. How cute is this? This one retails for 36 AUD. This is such a cute bracelet. I like how on theme it is for the day with the serum. It features 8 small little stars on this cute silver bracelet. Next up is day 7, and we have the full-size Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax Rollerball. This one is 10 mils and it retails for 40 AUD. I've tried this before and I think this is so convenient to have in your bag. The scent is really woody though, so some people may really love this, but if you're not into the woody earthy scent, this one may not be for you. Moving on to day 8, and we have the Mini Dizziac Deep Conditioner. This one is 50 mils, but the full size retails for 48 AUD. Now this one is actually perfect for coarse, textured and dry hair. It's enriched with aloe vera, argan oil, babassu oil, castor oil, organic coconut oil, Inca Inchi oil, quinoa protein and shea butter. So this is also vegan and it's free from parabens, sulfates and silicons. Now it does say that it's a conditioner, but I think this is more of like an intense treatment that you leave on your hair for 5 minutes, and you do this about twice a week. I am very excited to try this one out because I'm always looking for a good hair product. Day 9 has 2 products. The first one is the full-size Rose Ink Blush Divine in Daylily, and we also have a Liberty Compact Mirror. The first time I was introduced to a Rose Ink product was actually last year through another advent calendar, and I immediately fell in love with the product, so I am very excited to be trying out another blush today. And this one is actually 4.5 grams and retails for 45 AUD. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. It's a rich taupe color. The last blush that I got from Rose Ink was a little lighter than this, but I do love a dark blush color. Now, low-key, does this not look like a D-shaped toilet though? Now, the second product we have here is the Liberty Compact Mirror. It's got that really cute, elegant print, which matches the advent box. This one would be great for putting into your purse. On to day 10, and we have the Mini Malin Goats Rum Bar Soap. Now this one is 50 grams, but the full size retails for 31 AUD. It definitely has a strong rummy scent, so I'm not too sure if this scent is for me. However, this soap is actually suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and I love that it's really hydrating. Day 11 is the Mini Wilhelm Perfumery New York Poets of Berlin. This one is 10 mils, but the full size retails for 315 AUD. This scent has vanilla, blueberry, lemon, and wood notes that just blend perfectly to form this perfume. This is an absolutely beautiful romantic scent. It's sweet, but it's not too musky. Last year we actually got a product from them too in a different scent, and I absolutely fell in love with that one too. So I'm quickly becoming a fan of this brand. On to day 12, and we have the full size Davines Oil Shampoo. This is 90 mils and retails for $25.95 AUD. I haven't tried this one before, but it contains Roku oil and is meant to be super nourishing. The texture on this one is really creamy and it also smells really nice. On to the halfway mark, and we have the Mini Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Now this one is 30 mils, but the full size retails for 74 AUD. This one is a very popular exfoliating toner, and it's actually one of Paula's Choice best-selling products, and I can totally see why. I have tried this and used it and love it. It's infused with salicylic acid, which buffs away dead skin cells, and it also tackles redness, blemishes, blackheads, and enlarged pores. I love that this one is packed with antioxidants from the green tea extract, and it also works to hydrate your skin. Day 14 is the full-size Byredo lipstick in solid ground. Now this one is 3 grams and it retails for 87 AUD. First of all, the packaging is stunning. It's giving very luxe vibes. The color is gorgeous, and I also love that it has a magnetic closure. The design is so sleek. Moving on to day 15, and we have the full-size Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. This one is 50 mils and retails for 120 AUD. Up until this point, I have tried a few Ren products and have absolutely loved them. I like that this is an overnight cream and tackles hyperpigmentation, which is a concern of mine. This one is suitable for all skin types, and apparently you only need a very small amount to cover your whole face and neck. Next is day 16, and we have the full-size Dr. Sebar Serum Repair Hyaluronic Acid. This one is 20 mils and retails for 160 AUD. Anything with hyaluronic acid is a win in my books. Not only is this hydrating, it also smooths and brightens too. This one is an award-winning serum, and it also contains collagen peptide, which tackles fine lines and wrinkles. On day 17, we have two products. We have the full-size Larry King Spoilt for Choice Hair Oil, and we also have the Uniform Hair Clip Duo. Now, the hair oil here is 30 mils and it retails for $55.44 AUD. This is a multi-use hair oil that can be used as a hair mask scalp treatment or as a finishing styling product. It contains rosemary, jojoba, and argan oil, which all work to strengthen and hydrate your hair. Now, the second product is the hair clips, and these retail for 43 AUD. These clips are so handy, and I also really like the tortoise color on them. Day 18 is the full-size Verden D'Orangerie Hand Cream. This one is 75 mils and retails for 55 AUD. It's formulated with shea butter, grapeseed oil, aloe vera, carrot seed oil, and cocoa seed butter. I actually really love citrusy scented hand creams, and this one smells like orange blossom, so it's a winner for me. Moving on to day 19, and we have the full-size Labo Rose 31 Liquid Balm. Now, this one is 9 mils and retails for 160 AUD. Wow, that is pricey. So even though this is called a balm, it's actually a rollerball perfume. This is one of their signature scents and it has a woody rose note. It isn't too feminine, making it very unisex, which I like. On to day 20, and we have the mini Charlotte Mensah Manchetti Hair Oil. This is 15 mils, but the full size retails for 105 AUD. So this is also award winning, and apparently this is meant to be great on curly hair types. As I have straight hair, I probably won't be using this one. However, it is said to be extremely hydrating and great for damaged hair. Day 21 is the full size Zelens Instant Recharge Renewal Mask. Now this one is 30 mils and it retails for 60 AUD. This mask contains 5% lactobionic acid, 5% lactic acid and enzymes, plus antioxidants from green shiso leaves. Anytime I hear lactic acid, I am always a fan. I think it's one of those ingredients that just works amazingly on my skin, so I cannot wait to try this. On to the final stretch. Day 22 has two products. There's a mini auto exfoliating cleanser and a full-size 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask. Now the exfoliating cleanser here is 25 mils but retails for 75 AUD. This one has the papaya enzyme, and anytime fruit enzymes are involved, I am a fan. So the enzymes break down dead skin cells and exfoliate as well as unclog the pores. I am super excited to try this one out. Now the second product here is the eye mask, of course, which is listed as a full-size product. However, I believe the full size is actually a pack of 6, which retails for 185 AUD. I always really love these gel eye masks, and 111 Skin always have amazing products. Still glad to see this one in here, even though it's only one pair. Day 23 is the mini Bibi Ghost of Tom Eau de Parfum. Now this one is 8 mils, but the full size retails for 490 AUD. A very expensive perfume. This one has notes of bergamot, blackcurrant, black tea, amber, and papyrus. So just from smelling it, it has a very strong, unique scent. It smells very smoky and it almost reminds me of a very strong blackcurrant tea. Now, this isn't something that I normally go for in terms of perfumes and scents, but it's actually growing on me the more I smell it. Second last day, and we have the mini Liberty Stately Bouquet candle. Now this one is 60 grams, but the full size retails for 115 AUD. I always expect a nice candle in every multi-brand advent, so I'm glad to see this one here towards the end. This is a signature fragrance by Liberty, and it has blackberry and musk notes. This is also made with soy coconut vegan wax. I will definitely be adding this to my collection. Last but not least, on day 25, we have the full-size Augustinus Beta, the Rich Cream. This one is 15 mils and retails for 139 AUD. This product is always in several advents every year. It's an iconic product, we've spoken about it before, and it's just an overall amazing cream. It has a cult following, and for great reason. it's going to be another one added to my stash. So what did we think of this year's 2023 Liberty London Advent Calendar? I actually thought that there was a really great variety of products in this Advent, so I really liked that. The only problem or issue that I had with this is that a lot of the products that were listed as full sizes by Liberty London on their list were actually probably more like minis or travel sizes. But other than that, I actually really enjoyed unboxing this year's box, and it's always one of the popular advent calendars every year. If this one is the advent calendar for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it, and it's probably going to sell out really soon, so don't miss out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!